Hello, welcome back to Maci-English for Kids. Today, we're going to talk about something fun and useful, gestures. Do you know what gestures are? They are the little movements we do with our hands, head, or body to express feelings. Let's learn some gestures together and then listen to a short essay to see how they are used. Are you ready? Let's go. Wave. Wave. When we move our hand from side to side to say hello or goodbye, that is called waving. Nod. Nod. When we move our head up and down, it means yes. That gesture is called nodding. Shake head. Shake head. When we move our head from side to side, it means no. That gesture is shaking your head. Smile. Smile. A smile is when we move our lips upward to show we are happy or friendly. Clap. Clap. When we hit our hands together to make a sound, that's clapping. We clap to show happiness or to celebrate. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. When we lift our thumb up, it's a gesture that means good job or I like it. Point. Point. When we use our finger to show something, we are pointing at it. Hug. Hug. A hug is when we put our arms around someone to show love or care. Handshake. Handshake. When we hold someone's hand and move it up and down, that's a handshake. We use it to greet someone politely. Hi everyone, my name is Maci, and today I want to tell you about everyday gestures. Every day we use gestures to show our feelings. For example, when I see my teacher, I wave my hand to say hello. When I agree, I nod my head. And when I don't agree, I shake my head. I also smile a lot, because smiling makes people happy. When I do something great, my friends give me a thumbs up, and I feel proud. Sometimes we clap our hands together when someone does a good job. And when I meet new people, I give them a handshake to be polite. Gestures are very important because they help us communicate without words. They make our feelings easy to understand. So those are some everyday gestures I use. What gestures do you use every day? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!